Well, healthcare is a very complex industry. And then when you add patient complexity to the complexity of the infrastructure and the dynamics and the finance issues and the rules and regulations of healthcare, you're really dealing with an n-cubed puzzle. And there are some real needs for changes in efficiency and quality. As the costs of healthcare increase, that management training will be an essential skill to help bring healthcare into the next era. Everything from operations management right through to marketing and finance are the skills that are going to be needed to really bring healthcare up to the next level. There are going to be increasing opportunities in healthcare for students with management educations because the healthcare industry is going to require more sophistication in management. And the healthcare industry will want to learn from best practices in the private sector and adopt them in the public sector. And that's going to be huge in the future. In terms of new roles that are going to emerge in healthcare, it's vast. It runs the gamut from working for an insurance company that's going to be developing new healthcare-related products to service providers, such as case management companies or absence and disability management companies, or looking at hospitals that develop profit centers. And there are very clear examples of hospitals in Toronto, for example, that are building global businesses. And there are requirements for managers to operate those on a global scale. And these are very exciting opportunities for students coming out of Schulich. If we're talking about the skills and tools that are going to be needed for the sort of new and innovative business models, you just have to look at the curriculum at Schulich. And a student may not understand when they're taking the courses, but in order to develop the workflows and the business processes and the quality outcomes and the IT infrastructure, you really need the core program that's offered at Schulich. Those are the requirements that are going to make for successful new business models in healthcare.